The moment we get up, the first errand was to feed them and walk them.
No, we are not waking up by alarms. We are waking up by them because Hawk will use his paws to scratch your face. And
so
Diva
wake up.
And Diva is like just stand there staring at you when you're asleep, just staring and use the sound that nobody can hear but you, like to wake you up. And means she wants to eat breakfast and go out to eat. And Sir is more like just following everybody else. And
we would walk them 3-4 times a day. Morning, noon, afternoon, and sometimes before we go to bed.
Okay.
Yeah, because we accompany them a lot of times, right?
Yes.
Because their life expectancy is very short, like 15 or so years. So I think they don't want us to be regret when they are old or cannot walk, and then we want to accompany them. So we try our best to accompany them as much as we can.
Yeah.
And they have good temper.
Yeah.
They're good dogs.
Yeah. And that's why we think that because of our company, a company that their personality is like this soft.
Dognality.
Yeah, dognality.
Yes.
It's like this moderate.
Yeah.
Hawk followed Diva from the restaurant to our home.
Yeah.
And Sir
was rescued on the street.
Yeah, from the streets.
And you know, for the first 2 to 3 months, she kept pooping some worms.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we used the medicine to help her to get rid of them. And now you can say that she's quite healthy and the personality is not shy anymore. A little bit, but much
still,
more better. Yeah,
before,
much better.
Much worse. She's afraid of...